Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious coleslaw dressing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of tangy apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of zesty Dijon mustard. For seasoning, have ready 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Having everything at room temperature will make the mixing process much smoother and ensure a perfectly blended dressing. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are fully incorporated. Next, slowly add your 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Keep whisking for about 1 minute, ensuring all the dry seasonings dissolve, leaving you with a perfectly smooth and uniform dressing. This is where you can truly make the dressing your own. After mixing, taste your creation. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more sugar. For more tang, a splash more vinegar. If you desire a creamier consistency, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or buttermilk. Always reseason with a pinch more salt or pepper if needed, ensuring a perfectly balanced and delicious flavor profile for your coleslaw. To achieve the best flavor, refrigerate your freshly made dressing for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When you're ready to serve, simply toss the chilled dressing with your shredded cabbage and carrots. If you have any leftover dressing, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.